Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're beginning in Google Drive. Sign in and locate or upload the workbook you need. Choose New Google Sheets for a fresh sheet, or upload an Excel file and open with Google Sheets to convert it. This preserves most formulas and formatting. Once done, give the file a clear name so you can find it later and set its folder. Make sure to check conversion warnings that appear. Those tell you what may need manual fixing after import. Now edit and refine. Apply formulas, conditional formatting, and data validation directly in the sheet since Google Sheets supports most Excel functions. Use filters and protected ranges to keep data clean. To collaborate, click Share, add emails, and assign viewer or editor access. This enables simultaneous editing. Once multiple people work, use version history to inspect changes and restore older versions if something breaks. Also, make sure linked images or external data sources are accessible to collaborators so formulas update correctly. To finish, verify calculations and formatting, then export via file download as XLSX, CSV, or PDF depending on the recipient's needs. Make sure formulas converted correctly. Some Excel-specific features might need manual adjustment. Once exported, test the file in Excel if required. If something goes wrong, like missing formulas or layout shifts, open version history to revert or compare edits, or re-upload the original Excel file and repeat the conversion while noting compatibility warnings. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.